Good morning viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing some worksheets on maths for the students of class Prep 1 and Prep 2. In this video I am going to show you some worksheets with the numbers from 1 to 10. When your child will be able to write on his own numbers from 1 to 10 and also back counting from 10 to 1, then you can give him to practice this type of worksheets prepared at home. Come to the first worksheet of today's video. Here you can see I have drawn different flowers. Some are red at the left side of the page and some are blue flowers at the right side of the page. So the question given here is, what comes after? So when your child will know 1 to 10 thoroughly, then you give them this type of worksheets. So what comes after? We know 2. So what comes after 2? It will be 3. Next is given number 4. So what number we will write inside this flower? Yes, after 4 we know comes 5. Here 9 is given. What comes after 9? It's 10. Here is given 6. So what comes after 6? It will be 7. Next come to this part. Here the question given is, what comes before? So the first one is given dash 2. So what comes before 2? Yeah, we know 1 comes before 2. Next is given dash 5. So what number we will write in this flower? Yeah, it will be 4. Next dash 9. What comes before 9? It will be 8. The last one is dash 8. What comes before 8? It is 7. So I hope you understood how to give the child this type of worksheets. Make your worksheets colorful and an attractive one so the child will get interested to fill it up quickly. Now come to the second worksheet of today's video. This worksheet I have prepared for the students to write down the numbers in between. So in the first row, see, I have drawn some leaves. Here the number is given 3, then a blank leaf and then 5. So what comes in between 3 and 5? So it will be 4. Next is some flowers are drawn. The number is given here 2 and here is 4. So what comes in between these two digits? Yeah, it will be 3. In the next flower you can see 1 dash 3. So here it will be 2. Nextly some balloons are there. It's given 7 dash 9. So here it will be 8. In the last row you can see some cups are present. It's given 6 dash 8. So here it will be 7. So viewers, you can prepare this type of colorful worksheets at your home very easily. So thank you for watching my channel. Next day again I will come with some more videos. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Goodbye.